everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Electro Headphone effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click New Project. Add the video that you want to add headphone effect. So, you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it and click body effect. Click body effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see headwear, and then click on it and swipe down until you can see Electro Headphone effect. This one, click on it and click check icon in here. You can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the color, this one, and then now set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that how to add Electro Headphone effect. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.